One of the biggest questions we get after a storm is, will my homeowner's insurance pay for my roof? Hi, I'm Jason Taylor. I'm the sales director here at Van Martin Roofing. The answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. But let's walk through how it really works. It depends entirely on how your roof was damaged and what's written in your specific insurance policy. Here's the basic rule of thumb. If your roof was damaged by a sudden, accidental event, like hail, high winds, or a falling tree branch, then yes, homeowners insurance will likely cover the repair or replacement. However, if the damage is due to age, normal wear and tear, or poor maintenance, that's considered a homeowner's responsibility, and insurance typically won't pay for it. Now, we know insurance claims can feel confusing, and every policy is a little different. That's why our job at Van Martin is to give you clarity first before you ever contact your insurance company. Here's how we help. We start with a full inspection. Our trained team will carefully inspect your roof for storm damage, not just what you can see from the ground though, but the subtle things like missing shingles, creased shingles, or small impact marks from hail. 2, we document everything. You'll get clear photos, notes, and a summary of everything we found. That way, you can make an informed decision before you file a claim. 3, we help you communicate with your insurance company. If you decide to file a claim, we'll meet with your insurance adjuster to make sure nothing gets overlooked and that the damage is properly assessed and documented. Lastly, number 4, we stay transparent. We'll never tell you to file a claim unless it makes sense. In fact, filing unnecessary claims can sometimes raise your premiums, so we always make sure you have the facts first. Our goal is simple: to protect your home and your peace of mind. We give you honest information up front so you can make the best decision for your family, with or without an insurance claim. If you think a recent storm may have damaged your roof, click the link in our bio to schedule a free inspection. We'll check everything and tell you exactly what your options are before you ever call your insurance company.